always react like that. I told him I like my shit from the back. And it's Amber Duck. And it's Amber Duck.
You are now watching and Sarah the Goddess. What's up, beauty gang? This your girl and Sarah, and welcome back to my channel. Please don't come for my hair. Today we're going to be doing passion butterfly braids, y'all. Y'all see I got my hair already pre-parted. So these are total. I have 2, 5, 6, 7, 11 parts total. So it's gonna be 11 braids total. So I have 4 packs of passion. It's supposed to be like that free tress hair that everybody is getting, but this is called Twisted Up by Expression. It looks like this. Hold on, let me see if I can cut my light off so y'all can see. It looks like this. Excuse my nails because they will be done later. But I got 4 packs of these. I got 1 pack of these. It's the pre-stretched hair by, who was this by? Janet Collection. And then I got 2 more packs of braided hair by Outrage in case I need some extra hair. And then I have more hair in the back in case I run out. So I'm going to start on these braids. The products that I'm going to be using, I already used Sulfur 8 grease. I'm going to put a picture up right here of the Sulfur 8 grease that I use to grease my scalp. I used the Kaleidoscope Miracle Oil, and I'm going to be using, this is some new edge control I just got from Beauty For You, y'all. I wanted to see if it was going to work without turning my hair white. You know, I hate that. And then I got the Miracle Grow Edge Control. You're going to need some rubber bands for the ends to seal the ends. Most people wrap their hair around, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use rubber bands. Let's get started, y'all.
know I wanna hug, can I do it, baby? Stud and milkshake, stud and milkshake, stud and milkshake. All I wanna do is stud and milkshake, yeah, in the club. You know I wanna hug, can I do it, baby? Stud and milkshake, stud and milkshake, stud and milkshake. Milkshake brings all my dogs in the yard. Damn right, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. It's a T2. She got 2 chocolate milkshake brings all my dogs in the yard. Damn right, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. Hey, love, hey, nigga, do what we do. Stir that milkshake, 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 stir that milkshake. Yeah, hey, nigga, do what we do. Stir that milkshake, 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 stir that milkshake.
Hold on, y'all. I want to stop and appreciate this Argan Oil Play and Stay 48-hour edge control, okay? I'm rubbing it for dear life. It ain't coming apart. What? Get y'all some of this. Back to the video.
What a beautiful life.
All that I've got is all that I need. I've got you, baby, you got me. What more could I ask for? Beautiful life. Beautiful life. I got what a beautiful life.
Beautiful life.
Listen, I woke up this morning, y'all. The sun was shining oh so brightly. I thought about how good this life is. Back in the day, it wasn't always like this. I think about the things we done been through. I think about the place that I come from. It wasn't always easy, so every day I'm thanking God for the beautiful people everywhere I go. I just need to see your smiling faces at my show. And when you're feeling real love from the family, every day is a gift, y'all, that's all I need.
What a beautiful life.
All that I've got is all that I need. I've got you, baby, you got me. What more could I ask for? Beautiful life.
Beautiful life. We got
Beautiful life.
I got
What a beautiful life.
beautiful life.
Happiness, you know, it feels real good, y'all. For us to get it, then we gotta work hard, y'all. Every day. And don't pay attention to the things they say when they tell you that you can't make it, but you can if you try, y'all. When life is rough, I know sometimes you wanna cry, y'all. Just keep the faith and don't question. Ain't no need of stressing. Your life is still a blessing.
It's not about the cars, the money, or the clothes.
You can believe these things will only come and go, but when you're getting real love from everyone you meet, it's a blessing, y'all. It's magic, y'all.
What a beautiful life.
All that I've got is all that I need. I've got you, baby, you got me. What more could I ask for? Beautiful life.
Beautiful life. We got
Beautiful life.
I got
What a beautiful life.
beautiful life.
And now we all been blessed to be here, so it ain't no need for stress. We don't worry about the things that we can't control. We just pray and hope for the best. You don't need a whole lot of money. You don't need no fancy car. You ain't gotta be famous or a movie star. Just be happy with who you are. You got some food on the table and a place to live, and that's a beautiful life. You got somebody you can love, family and some kids, and that's a beautiful life. You got money in your pocket just to pay your bills, and that's a beautiful life. Just to make it through the struggle and you still be here. Now that's a beautiful life.
Okay, wind me up. DC, stand up. The Godfather. I got you. You spoiling me now. 6 years later, still the talk of the town. I put myself on, and then I put my team on too. Take home my BET, I spilled my drink on hold. Still I believe that, and I mean that, there will be no flow if you ain't sing that tune. We see police run joke, you put DC on first, I put us all on next, and now it's all on me to keep your name on deck. Okay, the Godfather, gotta know that it's not a problem. Been in the pocket like hot tires of Saviata. Praying for a better manana. I hope I'm making you proud. I'ma rep you with honor. Irrefutable spirit. How your music get nearest. When I got that award, it felt like you got this shit with me. Ha. Life's good, still it's getting better. Still pray for Low and Benny. Tell KK hold her head up. A lot have done it, but not too many that done it better. Forget a record, for all you done, you deserve a medal. A toast, a two. For jump, EU, for essence, for back, energy, UCB, TCB, hold DC, rest in peace.